Inquiring invoice payments. I'll need to call Klein and Weller to chase our invoice. It's 2 weeks overdue.
Klein and Weller. Good morning.
Hello. Can I speak to Julian Weller, please?
Julian Weller. Speaking.
This is Michelle Handy of Barb's Associates.
Ah. Hello. What can I do for you?
We sent you an invoice on the 30th of November.
Yes. Haven't we paid you yet?
No. And it's 2 weeks overdue now.
Oh. I'm very sorry. I'll send you a bank transfer this afternoon.
Thank you, Julian. We hope to do business with you again.
Hello. How can I help you, sir?
Well, some of our customers are slow payers.
So, they owe you money. And you'd like to apply for a loan to keep your business running?
Yes. It is to cover the ongoing running costs of the business.
Well, the first thing we need to know is if you have any debts.
No. Not really. We do have a small overdraft at the moment.
Overdrafts are an expensive way to borrow. We can recommend a business loan or a credit line, which can be used to purchase supplies or goods.
What do you recommend that I do?
Well, it is advisable to settle your overdraft debt. We will then proceed to open a line of credit for you to utilize. If you still require a business loan for your cash flow purposes, we can also arrange that simultaneously.
That sounds like a good idea. Yes. Please arrange for the documents to settle my overdraft. Thank you for the advice. To withdraw £2,000 from my personal account and change to euros currency. What's the rate of exchange today?
Certainly, sir. We can check for you. For every pound, you will receive €1.14. We charge 1.5% commission for the transaction.
That sounds fine. Please proceed with it, and later, I'd like to check my safe deposit box.
Hey Adam. Have you heard? Pricewaterhouse have audited our competitors' accounts.
And what's the result?
It seems the finance manager has embezzled over $2 million.
No. You're joking. What is the situation of the company?
Not too good, I'm afraid. The company's facing bankruptcy.
I knew they were going to make a loss this year, but I didn't think it'd be that bad.
Well, they've got a lot of liabilities, and the total assets have lost 50% of their value over the last 2 years.
What about our subsidiary company? Did they make a profit?
They did excellently. They made record profit this year, just like last year.
That should make the shareholders happy. Will the company be paying a good dividend?
Yes, they will. We want them to see that they're getting a good return on their investment. By the way, have you finished preparing your accounting budget?
Yes, I have. We've reduced expenditure by 5% overall, and increased turnover by 10%.
Sounds good. Can I check the figures?
Sure. Go ahead. I can even send you a soft copy of it.
Glossary. Overdue. Not paid on time, past the correct date. Check. Note to a bank asking them to pay money from your account. Debts. Money that you have to pay, example for goods and services. Overdraft. Amount of money which a person or company can take out of the bank account, with the bank's permission, and which is more than there is in the account. Borrow. To take something, example money from someone for a period of time. Interest. Payment made for the use of the money. Exchange rate. The value of one currency against another. Commission. Money paid to a salesman or agent. A percentage of the sales made. Owe. To have to pay money. Change. To give one type of currency. Charge. To ask for money to be paid. Repay. To return money back to someone. Withdraw. To take money from an account. Invoice. Note asking for payment for goods or services. Safe deposit box. Place you can rent to keep documents, jewelry, etc. Withdraw. To take money from an account. Expenditure. Amount of money spent. Investment. Placing money so that it will increase in value. Bankruptcy. When a company is officially declared to be incapable of paying its debts. Embezzled. Used, illegally money belonging to his employer. Assets. Things which belong to a company or person and which have a money value.
Budget. A plan of expected spending. Turnover. Amount of sales of goods and services. Profit. The difference between sales income and costs. Return. Income from money invested. Shareholders. People who own shares in a company. Accounts. Records of financial transactions. Liabilities. Debts, money which a company has to pay. Loss. The result when spending is higher than income. Credit line. A flexible loan from a financial institution that consists of a defined amount of money that you can access as needed. Subsidiary. A company controlled by a holding company.
Thank you for your support. Let us know what videos you'd like. New videos every week.